You're stuck in that job because you're scared to start. Now, trust me, I know exactly how that feels like because I used to be that guy too. Now life's completely changed, right? So let me give you a quick background if you're new onto this channel. My name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I used to work a 9-to-5 job. I was working several jobs actually. I used to work in Argos, I used to work in World Duty Free, and I also used to work at Sky, right? And it basically came to a point where I was like, you know what, I've had enough. I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, move to a place like Dubai. As you can see, that's where I am currently, and basically just move there with no savings, no money, nothing, right? Now, I took the biggest risk of my life, and that's completely changed everything because now I run a 6-figure online coaching business, which has completely transformed my life, allowed me to live in Dubai in a nice apartment with also a swimming pool, which you can see over here, look. So life is really, really good. However, right, life wasn't always like this. Life was very, very different. I used to work long hours in my job, listen to what my boss told me to do and, come into work early, all of those kind of things that you guys are probably doing right now, right? And I used to say to myself that, one day everything's going to change. One day I'm going to be able to make lots of money, X, Y, and Z. But I realized that for me to actually do that, I need to start. Now, a lot of you guys are just scared to start. You say you want to start an online business, you say you want to do X, Y, and Z, but when it comes to actually doing it, you don't do it. You're not stuck in the job because of the situation, because you haven't got money, X, Y, and Z. You're stuck in your job because 1, you're scared to start, 2, because you're afraid to take that jump, and 3, because it's uncomfortable. Right? Like me moving to Dubai was uncomfortable. Me taking risks in life was uncomfortable. Me getting to a point where I've got like a swimming pool on my balcony, I'm living in Dubai, I can work where I want, I have freedom to go, do exactly what I want, when I want, where I want. That all came from risk. That all came from taking a chance, right? And I bet on myself that I'm going to make this happen. Now, just a quick one. If you do need any help starting your own online business, well, I'll work with you on a 3-month program and scale you to 10K a month by helping you sell your knowledge and skills to high-ticket clients. Well, make sure you click the link in the description below and book in a call with me, because what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now, the thing is with a lot of you guys, you're so scared to start, and it baffles me because I remember when I decided that I'm going to move to Dubai with no savings, no nothing, how scary that is. Like, can you imagine moving to a city like Dubai with no money, no savings, nothing, right? And you've got to kind of build yourself up from the ground and make it successful here. And it was interesting because when I did that move, I actually wasn't scared. Even though it was a scary thing, I went into it, fearless. I said to myself that if I'm going to be scared about this, then I'm not going to make it. I have to sort of take a leap and take a chance on myself. And I believe in myself, and that's one of the reasons why I'm able to do what I'm able to do now. But a lot of you guys don't believe in yourself. A lot of you guys put yourself down, right? And I kind of understand this because you've gone through the education system, which is built to tear you down, which is built to destroy you, right? Every time when you go to class, you can't think for yourself. If you want to ask a question, you have to raise your hand. If you want to go to the toilet, you need to ask the teacher. You can't do what you want. And the thing is, this is so interesting because this has actually brainwashed a lot of people to be comfortable taking orders from someone else. Because back in school, when the teacher tells you you need to do X, Y, and Z, you have to do X, Y, and Z or you're going to get in trouble, right? And I've gone through that, and I wouldn't even say I was a kid that rebelled against it, but I was also very much like, certain things I didn't want to do, and I didn't like being controlled, right? Now, when you're kids, it's kind of different. School system, you can't do too much. However, as you get older, a lot of you people are still in the same mindset. A lot of you guys are still working a 9-to-5 job, and it's still like you're in school, right? And I had that as well when I worked at Sky, for example, when I was working in the call center, where it was like we were treated like kids. And the reason why a lot of people were comfortable with it, because they went through that at school, and they were comfortable with that then as well. So yeah, it's quite interesting. But again, back to my point, the main reason, right, you guys aren't able to make money, the reason that you guys are stuck in your job is because you're scared to start. Now, fear is normal. When it comes to taking a leap, doing something crazy, fear is normal. But what you guys need to understand is that if you want an extraordinary life, you need to take extraordinary actions, because normal actions will only lead to a normal life. But taking extraordinary actions, taking risk, will only lead to a better life than you've got currently. And it's crazy because a lot of people think that they can just get away with doing normal shit and get extraordinary lives. It doesn't work that way, right? You can't not train, not eat right, and expect to get a 6-pack, for example. Or you can't not study and expect to pass your exam. Like, if you don't put in the effort, if you don't put in the work, it's not going to happen. So you guys need to actively start doing things that are scary. Because trust me, when you start doing scary things, life becomes so different. And it's interesting because now I'm at a point where I'm so comfortable being uncomfortable. And a lot of you guys just can't be uncomfortable even for like a few minutes or even a few hours or a few days, right? I was uncomfortable for a long time when I moved to Dubai. And yeah, you have to find a way to be comfortable being uncomfortable. That comes with time. that comes with taking the first step, right? So a lot of you guys working a 9 to 5 job want a better life. You want to do something different. You want to completely transform your life. You want to work for yourself. You want to start an online business. You want to move to a place like Dubai, right? But why is it that you guys aren't in a position to do so? Well, because you don't start. And why don't you start? Because you're too much of a pussy. Like, grow the up. If you want to make it in life, take risk. And you know what? I say this to a lot of people and I don't think they understand it, because I've even had calls where people try to evade risk. Look, you can't. If you want to get to the top, if you want to be successful, if you want to make money, you cannot avoid risk. Like, you just can't avoid risk at all. Risk is part of it. You're going to risk something, right? You're going to sacrifice something. For example, if you're going to invest in a program, you're going to invest some money. That's risk. If you want to move to another country and you just move, that's risk. If you want to start an online business and you give it your all, that's risk. If you are in your 9 to 5 job right now, you see people like me living in Dubai, you see other people living in Dubai, or you see people doing what it is that you want to do, well, you can do the exact same. There's this notion that people feel like, oh, other people can do things that they can't do. Bruv, that is not true in the slightest, and I'll tell you why. Because everyone's human. I'm human. I used to look at all these people that are living in Dubai, making money online, 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds, and they were making all that money. And even I used to think, oh, maybe because they know something, or they do this, or do that, or X, Y, and Z. But bruv, they're all humans, just like me. Like, if they can do it, why can't I? And that's the kind of mindset I had before I started my own online coaching program. This was the mindset that I had before I started my own online business. And I said, you know what, if these guys can do it, and they're so much younger than me, well, I can do it as well. Because at the end of the day, they're human, I'm human. So if they can do it, why can't I, right? So you've got to have this mindset that you can do it as well. Not that those people are special or anything like that. Like, I'm not special by any chance. I've come from a small town in West London, right? And I'm here in Dubai now, living my life, doing whatever it is that I want to do. And you guys can do exactly the same thing, but you need to take a chance. You need to start, right? Because if you don't start, nothing's going to change. It's that saying, right? It's a very simple saying. If nothing changes, nothing changes. If you're going to do the same stuff that you're doing right now, your life is going to be exactly the same. I think Einstein said something along those lines where if you keep doing the same things, you can't expect different results, right? So understand, what are you guys doing that's going to change your life? Because you won't become rich overnight randomly. Like, it'll never ever happen. No one's become rich on accident. And if you want to talk about lottery's bullshit anyway. And that was just designed to keep the poor happy with where they are currently. Because the idea of lottery, right, you're just going to randomly become rich one day, is kind of like dangling a carrot in front of you. That one day you might win the lottery, and that just keeps dangling while you keep working your 9 to 5 job. But before you know it, you're like 60, 70, 80 years old, and your whole life is gone, and you just relied on winning the lottery, right? Listen, forget external things. Focus on things you can control, and you can control with how much work you put in, you can control in investing yourself, you can control starting, right? So this video is for people that need to just start, okay? I don't want to hear excuses. I've heard all the excuses. I'm going to start one day, which means you never will. I'm going to start when I make a little bit more money, which never happens. I'm going to start when this happens. I'm going to start when this happens. No, no, no. I'm not talking about starting next week. I'm not talking about starting tomorrow. Start today. If you've watched this video, start today. Whatever you do, take some action towards your goal. And if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I will scale you to 10K a month, working with me on a 3-month basis, where I'll jump on a call with you every week to guide you to how you can actually make money, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And if you guys feel like your mindset is holding you back, well, make sure you watch the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.